Hello everyone, let's take a look at the new features and changes that Microsoft is making available on Windows 11 build 26.2.20.9022 for version 25H2. Okay, first, on the taskbar page, we are now going to see that the company is rolling out the ability to change the position and the size of the taskbar. We have seen these features in other builds, but they are now coming to version 25H2. So eventually, you won't even have to upgrade immediately to version 26H2 to get the new taskbar enhancements. With the new taskbar position setting, you can now position the taskbar at the top, left, right, and at the bottom of the screen. Taskbar tooltips, flyouts, and animations continue to work in these positions, while most customization options, including never combining taskbar icons, will remain available. Microsoft is also introducing a smaller taskbar size option, which is this one right here, designed to free up more screen space, especially on smaller devices. The new setting reduces the taskbar height and icon size while keeping elements like Start, Search, and the system tray properly scaled. And that's it. The changes for the taskbar are the biggest addition to the beta channel for version 25H2. In addition, the company notes that this build renews the Windows Insider Flight Certificate, which is required for Insider devices to continue receiving preview builds. Since the current certificate expires on August 11, 2026, the company recommends installing this build before the date to avoid interruptions to future updates. Finally, Microsoft is also making some other smaller changes and fixes. For example, the company added gamepad navigation support for Bluetooth in the quick settings page, allowing users to control Bluetooth options with the controller. And there are fixes for Windows Update when installing new preview builds. File History addresses an issue that prevented backups, and File Explorer fixes an issue with map drives. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about Windows 11 build 26.2.20.9022 for version 25H2. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new improvements. Also like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.